Hello and welcome to a Mangley Town unboxing. Today we have for you a Heljan. It's a class 128 Royal Mail red, Royal Mail letters livery. So we'll pop her out the box and we'll have a look. The details are Heljan 894111 and runner number 55995 Royal Mail red. So let's take a look. Well, one thing I do have to say about this is it's pretty darn heavy. That certainly is going to be staying on the tracks. And considering res livery and Royal Mail parcels is one of the liveries that I collect, that's why I was quite happy to get this one, considering it is a loco in my collection, because I think that does look really nice. Even some nice detail on the end there. There she goes. So we'll then have another close look at that on the track, and we'll see it running as well. And the post must get through. Again, really nice, smooth, slow action on this. And this was second hand as well, not brand new. But I think I ended up buying a few things from this seller on eBay. And I know I could trust what I was getting from the first couple. Nice and quiet as well. Again, all I need to do is research, see how this ran, see if I can put it together with some of the coaches I've got. But certainly if I ever get a dream of a massive layout, this will be part of me Royal Mail and res livery parcels depot. So we'll take a closer look and at the lighting as well. Nice detail on the doors as well, them being recessed. So let's have a look at this lighting. So there we go, front lights there. And cab lights, which hopefully at low speed won't flicker. And then red lights in forwards and then in reverse. Yep, they do swap over to be directional. And we've got red that way as well. So I hope you like the look at that, and hope to see you visiting the channel again. Thank you very much.